Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In this video we will see the uh, previous year or multiple time asked coding questions in the Mindtree of Campus Drive. Okay, I have prepared two documents here. One which consists of coding questions which were asked in Mindtree of Campus Drive, and another one is the technical questions which were asked in technical interview during Mindtree interview. Okay, so I have prepared this document just now. You can see the current time as well. It's 12:47 a.m. and today is 23rd May. So I prepared these two documents just now for all of you, and I will also show you the frequently asked coding questions in the Mindtree of Campus Drive, so that before the aptitude test you can prepare well. Okay, so your round 1 will be aptitude plus coding question. I will recommend you to use IndiaBix website to prepare for the aptitude section, and aptitude section which will ask quantitative, logical question, reasoning, English, and automata section. Automata section means it includes coding question. Okay, aptitude section, it will consist these three: quantitative, logical, English section. Okay, then coding, these questions were posted by another candidates. Okay, so I have collected all the questions by taking from different portals. Okay, so that you will get all the questions in only in one document. Okay, and you can prepare well for this off campus drive. Now we will see the coding questions. There are around total 53 questions, but most of the are repeated. Most of the questions are repeated, and these are the coding questions posted by different candidates. They have shared the interview experience also. Okay, then first is finding average of p multiple of any number n given string, swap all the character x with character y, pattern printing, trapezium, finding distinct elements from array, then given two number and their length, print only numbers not common to either, then print trapezium pattern. See, this question is asked again. You can see the third and sixth question. This question is asked again. Okay, so prepare for this question: printing pattern, trapezium. Okay, then print the below pattern. Here you can see the pattern. You can stop this video and check the pattern or write pattern and try to write the coding logic for this pattern. Mindtree mostly asked question on pattern printing, then string. Okay, so then again to print distinct elements in an array, GCD of n numbers. This question is again asked multiple times. This is high priority, multiple times asked question. I will show you below how many times this question is asked to different candidates. Like this, print a trapezium pattern, like this, the same GCD of n numbers. This question also asked multiple times. I am making this question bold, which are asked multiple times, so that you can give the priority to this question first and try other questions next. Okay, then again print below pattern. You can see the pattern. Then string match and returning only count with neglecting cases. They have given the example here: input 1 string this and input 2 string this and output is 3. Okay, so this one is the question. Frequency sort coding question asked prime numbers. Okay, example, suppose user have given input 11, then your program output should be 2 3 5 7 11. Okay, then again print pattern. I repeat that Mindtree off campus drive coding question. Pattern type of question they multiple times ask. Okay, so prepare pattern related question, printing pattern. Okay, so print this pattern. Then removal of vowels in string, find GCD of arrays. Again GCD question came here. Above we just saw that GCD of n numbers. Okay, then GCD of arrays, then alternate sort, then print pattern. Again this pattern they have provided. Okay, then coding question. We'll have two questions, time limit being 60 minutes. I got to write a program to find GCD and the other find GCD. Now again see these guys, see this question. This candidate got two coding question. Like every candidate will get two coding question, but find GCD of number n numbers. This question asked now third time. We are checking this file. Now this question got third time. So GCD of n numbers, please prepare this question. And the other was alternate sort. This one also prepare. I am making this bold. Okay, if you do one question correctly with their given test cases, you will clear this round. Okay, if you solve one question properly out of two coding questions, then you will get interview call for technical round surely. Okay, then again pattern printing. This is the pattern. Then that candidate also wrote here, my friend got similar ones, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then again this pattern, question number 21, this pattern, print pattern. Then merge sort using array pointer. Then print all the prime numbers which are below the given numbers separated by comma. Remove all the vowels. This also asked twice. We have just checked this question asked previously. See question number 15, remove all the vowels in string. Okay, so this one. Then got two programs. Now this candidate again posted two programs. First was to calculate GCD of two integer. Again same GCD question, coding question asked, which is a direct question. And second one was merge sort in array. Implement round robin scheduling. Check two binary strings are gray or not. Then again next candidate posted, I got two programs during later. Then programming test with 1 hour, GCD of elements in an array. Again see, I think this is fifth time the GCD program were asked. Arranging k number of elements of an array in ascending order, remaining in descending order. Okay, this is not asked multiple times. GCD is asked multiple times. So please prepare GCD program, trapezium, first question, no, sorry, third question in this document. Then to print alternate sort array. This question also asked. We just saw alternate sort here, question number 17. You can check. And again it is asked. Two times I think it is asked. Alternate sort, question number 17. And this question number 19, two times. And this one is the third time, question number 29, alternate sorted array. And other coding question was merge sort using dynamic memory allocation. Remember guys, first out of two coding question, one will be definitely easy and second one will be either medium question or hard question. Okay, out of two, definitely one will be easy question. Okay, so no need to worry. Removal of vowels from string and GCD program. Again GCD program was asked for this candidate, and removal of vowel. Removal of vowel, this question also asked multiple times. Then again, to print and count all the numbers which are less than given key element from our array. Then find prime numbers. Prime numbers, this is second time asked. Then eliminate repeated letters in array. GCD of array of numbers. Now again see, again GCD program came here. Display the reverse, print the sum of each digit, then print a given matrix in a spiral form. Pattern printing program again. Okay, write a program to find average of the first p multiplies of an integer 1. I think this is the first program we just saw. Question number 1, check. Find the average of p multiple of average n. That means first question also asked repeatedly. Okay, question number first and question number 39 are same. And then write a program to reverse the string of characters in the individual string. We just checked reverse string. Display the reverse string here. Question number 40. This one asked us again repeat. Find a substring in a given string and replace it with another string. Remove all the vowels. Remove all the vowels. Again same question. Remove all the vowels. GCD number. Print trapezium. Again came, see, question number 43. GCD of two numbers. This question again came again repeatedly. Print all the prime numbers which are below, given by separated comma. Prime numbers, this question also repeatedly asked. Write a function to return a sorted array after merging two unsorted arrays. Then pattern print. This is the pattern you need to print. Again this pattern. Let me, if you can't see, I'll just zoom. Okay, then question number 48, I'll just zoom it, this one also. So this one is the question, pattern printing. Again this question, question number 49. Again this pattern. Now program to count frequency of digits in an integer. Program to reverse the order of words. Now again reverse the string. Okay, then program to print prime numbers. Prime number question came again. Then reverse the string question came again. Sorry, this was already bold. This one, this is also already bold. Then implement merge sort using array. Then write a function to return sorted arrays after merging two unsorted array. The parameters will be two integer pointers for referencing arrays and two int variable, the length of arrays. Then program to find the LCM of two numbers and program to find the GCD of two numbers. Again GCD program came. So please prepare GCD program, vowels program, then reverse the string, trapezium program. Now I have collected here repeatedly asked. We just saw till question number 57. Now out of these 57, which were asked repeatedly? Pattern programs. Pattern programs, please prepare as we saw here. Okay, please prepare from that. Then loop based programs, then GCD program. GCD program is the definitely will come. Find prime numbers up to n. Prime, as I said, that prime number coding question asked multiple time. Remove vowel from the string. We just checked elimination of repeated letter in an array. Then make a string reverse. Okay. Now I have divided this into three sections: easy, medium and hard. These are the easy coding question. Find GCD and LCM of two numbers. Program to check whether the given number is prime or not. To check whether the number is Armstrong. Program to check whether the number is strong or not. check whether the given number is automorphic or not. To print the Fibonacci series, print prime number printing with a given range, then pyramid pattern printing program, then reversing a string, okay, then converting the binary into decimal, then printing the Armstrong numbers between the given interval, decimal to octal conversion, binary to octal conversion, then palindrome pattern, removal the string vowels from the string, finding the frequency of the characters, program to find roots of quadratic equation, diamond printing pattern programs, finding the largest palindrome number in the given array. Okay, so these are the coding questions, but I request you, those questions that I have made bold, please prepare that. Please prepare pattern programs, okay, GCD number, then prime number, then remove vowels, then GCD, please prepare GCD question, display the reverse string, reverse the string, removal of vowel, alternate sort, okay, remove all the vowels again, same GCD of 2 numbers, prepare all the pattern programs, find GCD, the questions which I have make the bold, you know, so prepare that one, okay. So this is about coding questions. Till previous year these were questions were asked. Now we will see the questions which technical interview asked questions during your technical round. Your technical round will be around for 1 hour or 45 minutes to 1 hour. Okay, so these are the questions. Tell me something about yourself, then what is an algorithm, then how much would you rate in C language out of 10, then in Java out of 10, what are the properties of Java language, that means OOPS concept. Have you heard anything called overriding in Java? Write a program to explain overriding. Do you have any hobbies? Have you done any projects so far? Then gave a pattern program and asked to write a logic in C language. This is also shared by candidates. They have shared the interview experience. So these are the questions. What is OOPS? What is the binary search algorithm? Write a function to reverse a string. Data structure. Difference between array and linked list. OOPS. Difference between class and object. What is binary tree? Binary tree. What is linked list and double linked list and stack? Okay, so what is deadlock, subnetting? All this question. Yeah, you can check here. You can pause this video, write down or note down these questions if you want, so that you can prepare well. Prepare OOPS concept. Definitely they will 101%, I am sure they will. First question will be OOPS concept. You need to explain inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, inside. Give real-time example to understand on or to learn about OOPS concept. Search or go to this website, Java T Point. Java T Point, I will just write here, Java T Point. This is the website, Java T Point, and search Java T Point OOPS concept. You will get those candidates who are from non-CSIT background, then they can prepare. Okay, so whenever you will explain OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concept, please explain in practical way. Theory can explain theory part we can explain to the interviewer, but they will expect practically. Okay, and remember one thing, that you need a good job, every candidate need a good job, same as like that every good company need a good candidate. Okay, so don't worry, uh, give your best. Okay, so these are the technical round interview questions: polymorphism, exception handling, hierarchy, then encapsulation example. Okay, get and post method in login page, life cycle of thread, life cycle of JSP, string sorting, all these questions. Now there is one note which were shared by uh, interview experienced candidates. Those candidates who have shared their interview experience of Mindtree, they have posted this note that keep your basics strong in any of C or C++ or Java. Also, data structure and algorithm is very important. Also go through OOPS concept. Just be confident and clear your basics in Java operating system, database management system, that is DBMS, basic subjects before the interview. Okay, so all this I have prepared in this file. If you want these two documents, then please comment your mail ID below. I will share this document, and please prepare well for this off campus drive. Do your best for aptitude question. You prepare from India Bix website. This is the website from where you can prepare for your cons, logical and English questions. Coding questions, as I have made this bold and we have discussed, just please prepare that. Okay, so I wish you all the best, give your best, and thanks for watching this video, and share this video to with your friends as well, so that they also can take the benefit of this video. Okay, thanks for watching this video.